scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Translation questions get easy when you lock onto the exact stage named in the prompt, then match that job to the only fitting option. The prompt literally says EIF2 alpha works at the initiation step of translation, so start there. We need an answer about beginning protein synthesis, not DNA transcription, splicing, or protein folding later. Translation is where ribosomes read mRNA to build a polypeptide, and initiation is the setup phase, so EIF2 alpha should help assemble the mRNA ribosome starting complex, not make RNA itself. That makes option D the winner, because it describes EIF2 alpha forming a complex with mRNA that then binds a ribosome to start translation. Well done! Option D. Scan now, watch signs, and avoid rush. Trust given details, then check each step before locking your answer.